In this video, I'm going to show you how to get symmetry on Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to select your layer you want to use, and then you want to go to the top right over here where there's a bunch of buttons, and you want to click on this one, which is called Precision. When you do this, the Precision menu is going to open, and you want to click on the Symmetry menu down here at the very bottom, and then you want to toggle on this switch over here to enable symmetry. Now, as you can see here, you have two of them. You have reflective and you have rotational, and each of them have a bunch of different modes. So we can just go and use any of the modes. As you can see over here, this is reflective. You could use it this way as well, and then this way as well, where it has four of them, and then you can use this way as well, where it has like multiple like that. So it's completely up to you. And yeah, you have like multiple. You can just go ahead and customize this, and of course use it however you want for your own instance. Okay, now whenever you've done this, you can just go and toggle off this switch for symmetry, and it's going to remove the grid lines. If at any point you need it again, you can just come here again, and you can use whichever one you want, and that's going to work as well. Okay, so that's how to get symmetry. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.